Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this edition of Exploring with Riley King. Take a look at this photo right here of some sand sculptures. You know what that means. Sand artists brave yesterday's rain for the 19th annual Master Sand Sculpting Classic. 10 artists have started working on sand sculptures at Hampton Beach in preparation for the 19th annual Master Sand Sculpting Classic. Thursday marks the first official day of competition for sculptors who have traveled from across the United States and Canada to perfect their elaborate pieces. The rain didn't deter any of the artists on Thursday morning, and one organizer said artists would rather work in the rain than in the sun. The winner will be announced this Saturday and awarded $3,000 in total. The competition is expected to award $15,000 in prize money to participating artists. The public is encouraged to vote on their favorite sculpture on Saturday afternoon. Following the conclusion of the award ceremony, Hampton Beach will host a fireworks show. Organizers expect the fireworks to start at 9:30 p.m. All sculptures will be illuminated and on display on the beach through June 27th. For more information, visit www.hamptonbeach.org. And that does it for this evening edition of Exploring with Riley King. Have a great Friday night, everyone. See you back here on Monday for another edition of Exploring with Riley King. Good night, everyone, and bye.